Omwaka gw'2025 President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akaragira omukogo Professor Florence Murango kutandikaho ehuriro y'okwongeraho mutindo gw'ebitookye ebirarugyamu ebintu nyamwingi ebirareta sente ekirugiriireho kutongoza kwombeka factory y'ebitookye omu Rusango mu district ya Kiruhura.
Ekyoma eki nikitaho omutindo kihangusya kireisa obwire bw'ekitookye kirikubaasa kumaraho aha mudaara kitasisikire bakuba ko kukita omusaano. Professor Murango, how long can it stay in powder form? Forever. Ate kirikumanyisa obwire obwire bw'okusya tuburo.
Nyina muterere President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni mu ngalo ahubwo project ejyagibereriwo up to now neze sente zemukugamba nuwe akono wasaziremu nti batwongere sente ezirayombeke ki
ngenda kubahanuza ngw'ekyoma ky'ebitookye esente ziri omu budget turi aha muheru gw'okumalirira kubahereza Professor Muranga.
Professor Florence Muranga nagira ngu factory y'ebitookye hato muri Bushenyi eriyo nekora kandi obwa hati nibaza no kutunga itaje rindi omu Rusango mu district ya Kiruhura.
We are undertaking right now in expanding the facility and establishing the holding center for the bananas. I think the space would almost be finished, isn't it? So we cannot talk about expanding. And yet when we started, most of what we started with was supposed to be a showcase.
Ejino project presidential pledge ey'omuzeeyi yaraganiise kareho kwiha 2025 kushitya hati project hati tuliyondere netekinga shape simer hanga ahabw'okuteereza amagara ekitukakireba.
Abebembezi ba district ya Kiruhura bo borekera okwetombwita ahabwa factory yo kucerererwa kwija muri Kiruhura ahabwa ebirungi byayo.
Mwariba biscuits ezirikurugankare kandi ebyona nangagambo biri gluten free tinkumanya kuba kwija kukibunura ryo muri Nyankore Professor Kyanija kukigamba kunka harimu ezabuto ezimbyenda manyezirumu
isho kutwarambwire mukamanye cyamani isho kutwarambwire emwe kandi kutigire twashanga cyo man twasakora products ezinta kwasagambera bonkani ngenda kubagambira zina kopire eyo kubanza numangu mbitoje kwa mobujuma odwara zone numangu mbitoje ntwa mwehuzi esikore nyenda yone.
So kwihaho emyeto mbwenu funa barebwe mirimo akabini bajangu tubine mirimo mbaheza kushoma babure mirimo konkati ejino opportunity izraba n'abacuruhura especially for grabbing opportunity for the first time.
Factory ejene yongera omutinda habitookye okukoramu ebintu nyamwingi ebirumu emigati, biscuit, esano, cookies, cakes hamwe n'ebindi bingi.
Ndio mwana
Gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi.